Yes, it's me who you think it was. I'm Desiree somewhere. We'll be looking for birthday card for Desiree. Because today is her birthday. This chubby little thing says Happy Murph Day. Murph. Oh, who writes this stuff? Look at this one. Know how I knew it was your birthday? Somebody squealed. Oh, I'm in stitches. Party like a rock star. Oh my goodness. Let me see this one. Just thinking about you makes me smile. Yeah, these cards are stupid. One part happy, 2 parts sad. Slide activated sound. I don't know what that means.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hope it's sexy, raise your musty. Happy birthday to you.
Inventive. I give it 5 stars. Oh, let's see. A wise man once said, "Don't count your ears." When does it says it sings? Where does it sing? No. Oh, what's a blow sensor? It's your birthday. Hope all of your candle wishes come true. It says blow here. That is pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Let's go look for Johnny. Come on, is this Hallmark? No, Inventions. Come on, Inventions. There he is. Reading every single one. Oh, we're gonna be those people now and like give everyone weenie dog stuff. Look at this one. Why would they do something? Just open the stupid card. Now blow them out. Blow them out.
It does something.
Blow it.
And then?
Blow them. Blow it.
Did.
No, blow them out. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
What does it do? What does it do?
Nothing. I just want me. Card writers, you need to step your game up because these cards are stupid.
I think they're adorable.
Yeah, you would. Crystal. Donuts before Bronuts. Okay, I admit it looks a little weird in print, but it's true. That's funny.
It's stupid.
That's funny. And you get a button. Desi likes donuts. Wishing you a magical birthday.
That's so dumb.
I would like that. These are recycled. Hey, yo, halo, aloe.
What happened to a family portrait one? Remember those?
What? Just wanted to say I'm thinking of you. Hey, yo, halo, aloe. Oh, hey, yo, halo, hello. I get it. Yeah, you wouldn't. That's witty and charming. This card will feel heavy because it's packed with a bunch of good thoughts. Sending thoughts and prayers. Men can't live with them, but can have disappointing sex without them.
Get her.
So guys, we're gonna talk a little bit. We're gonna have a moment. Look what I found on Johnny's shirt. You see that hair? What color is that hair right there?
Green.
That is not green.
Because everyone knows you don't know how to keep up with your hair.
That is not green. That is blue hair. That is blue. Let me see.
That's green.
No, here's another one. Blue hair. Who is she? Who is she? Let me speak to her. Who is she? Who is she? Who is she?
Stop.
Who is
I'm
she?
driving, Ivan.
Who is that little hussy? Who is it?
The dogs have those super swollen.
Oh, you blame the dog?
Oh, the blanket.
What blanket?
The furry blanket in the apartment. I was laying on it. Yeah.
Who is she? What's her name? I hope you two are happier together. I hope you two are happy together. You filthy swine. Desiree's card. I don't know why. I think this is permanently like fuzzy. Or maybe I just need to like change the settings. I don't know. We got Desiree's card and this is what it says. Balls.
Does it come out backwards when they watch it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. This is balls. They may be old and wrinkly, but you still got them. Happy birthday. I found it. And we just agreed on it. Just screamed Desiree. Happy birthday, Desiree. She is, how old is she?
34.
34 years old, Desi. 34. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday to you. You can't snap them. Alright, we're on our way to... What? I'm gonna say Hibachi. I think it's Hibachi. Hibachi.
Tampekura.
I think they do like cool shows and stuff. I've never been there before.
I don't think we're sitting there.
Oh. Well.
I think you did a show with soup.
They don't sell soup.
That's all we're ordering.
My eyes are really red. I just got out of the shower. And I think like our area has really hard water.
No, you're not supposed to put soap in your eyes.
I put soap in my eyes like an idiot. It's water. It's like hard water.
But why do you open your eyes in the water?
I don't. I wash my eyes.
Why do you wash your eyes?
Because they get dirty. Look at yours. Look, take your glasses off. Let me show them. Don't move. Don't. You drive. You take your glasses off.
What are you talking about?
Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
What?
Nastiness? Don't move. Y'all see that nastiness? That's why I wash my eyes.
You can't wash your eyes.
I do. I don't wash them with soap, stupid. Kind of an idiot. Do you think I
But
am?
why do you wash your eyes?
Because I'll show you the video. Let me show him. Hibachi with everybody.
Dude, I hate to. She had already told me.
And
But I think she was
Devin.
getting lazy.
And they brought us like some broth.
I think, you know what? It has
I went there at 4:30.
calamari in it.
No.
No.
She did like a little bit,
onion.
but she was just checking it with her straight iron to make sure, and then she cut a little bit more.
And the sweet tea is amazing.
The sweet tea is amazing.
Because I wasn't happy.
Their birthday girl.
How often do we go? We don't go that much, so.
The birthday girl with her sweet tea.
You're gonna taste your soup?
Ask her. Ask her.
What?
What?
How's the tea?
Delicious. The second batch isn't as sweet as the first one.
Chopsticks 101. Grab it like a pencil. Put one in between here, in between your thumb. Like that. And then get the other one like a pencil. Okay? Put the other one there. Let me show you. Hold this.
Hold on.
Like this.
Okay, there you go.
Grab one like this. Grab the other one like a pencil.
Oh, okay.
So only the top one moves. Now you check it out. Let me see. Let me see. There you go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Like pinch it. There you go. There you go.
Oh, okay, I got it.
There you go. Bento box. Deliciousness. Oh, we do have. Yeah. Johnny got the same thing. Look at Desi. She's stretching to catch that shrimp in her mouth. She's getting ready. She took her jacket off and everything. She is ready for that shrimp.
We're live? We're live right now?
We're live. We're live. In Facebook. Facebook.
To Hayashi, Japanese Steakhouse Bar and Grill.
Órale.
So we have a birthday boy. Where? Oh my goodness, happy birthday!
Desi is looking at that butter over there. That butter. We're ready to roll. Oh, thank you. Let's go.
You guys been here before? No, first time? Oh, everybody's first time. Don't worry, my first time too.
Hey, Kevin. Ooh, fancy.
Birthday girl.
Look at Chris.
Whoa! Where are you going?
Happy Lola is.
Japanese cowboy! Alright, here's a picture of my manager, alright? Happy Asian. Alright guys, on the count of three, we're gonna yell happy birthday. Alright guys, everybody on three. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Yeah, baby. Real quick. Veio sabor. Eso veio. We got broccoli, carrots, mushroom, onion, and zucchini. Alright, alright. You go first. Come on. Ready?
Go.
Come on.
Go.
Go. Hey.
Órale.
Ready, my friend?
Oh, Lord.
Come on. 1, 2. Hey.
Come on, Jeff.
1, 2.
Oh.
Birthday girl. Birthday girl.
You've been training for this her whole life.
Come on, Gavin. Come on, Gavin.
1, 2, 3. Hey!
Oh!
Oh God.
Oh God. Sorry, no hugging. Those are light.
Did you get me?
I caught it, by the way, just letting y'all know.
Yeah. Baby oil. Here we go. Hey, bro. Woo. Baby chicken. Go for rice. I'm hungry. Butterfly.
I've never seen someone so happy in my life. Anyway, we're gonna eat.
What's the birthday girl's name? Desiree. On three. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Desiree. Happy birthday to you.
What's the paper?
Your mom's recording the table. No, taste it. Taste it. Shrimp. What is it? Liquid?
Here you go. Hey! Did your birthday?
Keep it coming. Just taste it. Do it for the vlog. Yeah.
It's hot.
It's not. Oh my god.
Yeah, you want to just try a little bit?
It's good.
You like wasabi?
Hi guys, I'm so sorry we didn't finish filming yesterday. We were supposed to go to Johnny's cousin's house, but it got too late for us, and I've been working a lot. I've been working 7 days a week, trying to make money for our Disney trip, and it's kind of kicking my butt. Plus the show, and it's just too crazy. But last night was so much fun. My first time at the Hibachi place. It was so interesting and so cool and different, and being there with family, having a good time. It was a really good time. So thank you so much, Desi, for inviting us. Happy birthday. Today I'm already at work, so it's gonna be another long day. It's a cleaning day today, so I probably won't film today. Probably will, but probably won't. That's all I can really say. I mean, it's been fun. It's been a crazy, crazy ride. And, you know, I'm gonna start filming more Joseph stuff from our show. This show's kicking my butt too. It's like I'm in it the entire show. I have maybe like a few seconds to rest. The good thing is it's a very short show. So if I can, I'll start filming a little bit there. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Hi guys, thanks for watching, and like always, subscribe, like, and comment. And always remember, be weird and be beautiful.